To enable or disable double tap to lock on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we can open settings on your phone. There we go. Now in settings, go to home screen, lock screen and style, and then we're gonna swipe up from the bottom to open this section. Next, choose home screen settings, and then in here you should be able to find the double tap empty space to lock screen, which we can easily enable. Now you should be able to double tap on an empty space on the home screen in order to quickly lock the phone. But if you double tap when the phone is locked, or if you are on the lock screen, then of course this doesn't really work. This doesn't do anything. So if you want to be able to double tap when the phone is locked, for example, to wake it up, we need to go back to settings, but we're gonna actually go one step back, and we're gonna choose lock screen settings instead, and then over here we have double tap to turn on/off screen. So now you can double tap on the home screen, and you can double tap when the phone is locked in order to wake up the screen. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.